Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook ground pork. First, ensure your ground pork is fully thawed before cooking. Take it out of the refrigerator a few minutes beforehand to bring it closer to room temperature, which promotes even cooking. You can also prepare any aromatics like chopped onions or minced garlic at this stage. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Place your ground pork in a preheated, large skillet over medium-high heat. Let it sit undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes to develop a beautiful crust on one side. Then, begin breaking it apart with a wooden spoon or spatula, continuing to cook and stir until all the pink is gone. This browning step is crucial for building deep, savory flavor in your dish. Once your ground pork is mostly browned, it is the perfect time to add your seasonings. Sprinkle in salt, fresh ground black pepper, and maybe a pinch of dried oregano or Italian seasoning. Stir everything well, ensuring the flavors are thoroughly incorporated into the meat. If there is a lot of rendered fat, carefully tilt the pan and spoon out the excess, leaving just a little for moisture and flavor. Cook the ground pork until it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it is safe to eat. You will notice it turns a uniform grayish-brown color, with no visible pink remaining in any part. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes in total, depending on the heat and quantity. A properly cooked batch will be tender and flavorful, ready for its next culinary role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.